Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, profligate. Spelling, profligate. Meaning, extremely wasteful, recklessly extravagant. Also, immoral and shameless. Synonyms, wasteful, extravagant, reckless. Antonyms, frugal, prudent, economical. Usage. The profligate spending of the company led to its bankruptcy. His profligate lifestyle was often criticized by his peers. Word, profuse. Spelling, profuse. Meaning, abundant or plentiful, lavish or extravagant. Synonyms, abundant, plentiful, lavish. Antonyms, scarce, meager, sparse. Usage. The garden was filled with profuse blooms of colorful flowers. She apologized for her profuse tears during the emotional speech. Word, propitious. Spelling, propitious. Meaning, favorable or advantageous, auspicious or promising. Synonyms, favorable, advantageous, auspicious. Antonyms, unfavorable, disadvantageous, inauspicious. Usage. The propitious weather made it an ideal day for the outdoor event. The company saw the new market as a propitious opportunity for expansion. Word, prosaic. Spelling, prosaic. Meaning, matter-of-fact or straightforward, lacking in imagination or excitement. Synonyms, matter-of-fact, straightforward, unglamorous. Antonyms, imaginative, exciting, poetic. Usage. The prosaic details of everyday life often overshadowed her creative pursuits. The novel's prosaic style made it difficult to engage with the characters. Word, protean. Spelling, protean. Meaning, versatile or adaptable, capable of changing form or character. Synonyms, versatile, adaptable, changeable. Antonyms, inflexible, rigid, unchanging. Usage. The protean nature of the artist allowed him to excel in multiple mediums. The company's protean approach to innovation kept them ahead of the competition. Word, prowess. Spelling, prowess. Meaning, great skill or expertise in a particular activity or field. Synonyms, skill, expertise, mastery. Antonyms, incompetence, ineptness, lack of skill. Usage. The knight's prowess in battle was renowned throughout the land. Her prowess in chess earned her a spot in the national tournament. Word, punctilious. Spelling, punctilious. Meaning, showing great attention to detail and a strong sense of propriety. Synonyms, precise, demanding, careful. Antonyms, careless, lax, negligent. Usage. He was punctilious about being on time for all his appointments. The host was punctilious in ensuring that all his guests felt welcome. Word, pungent. Spelling, pungent. Meaning, having a strong and penetrating quality, especially in smell or taste. Synonyms, acrid, sharp, piercing. Antonyms, mild, bland, soothing. Usage. The pungent aroma of the garlic filled the kitchen. Her pungent remarks left a lasting impression on the audience. Word, quagmire. Spelling, quagmire. Meaning, a wet and spongy area of ground, or a difficult and precarious situation. Synonyms, bog, marsh, swamp. Antonyms, solid ground, stability, clarity. Usage. The hikers struggled to navigate the quagmire in the forest. The company found itself in a financial quagmire after the economic downturn. Word, quaint. Spelling, quaint. Meaning, pleasantly old-fashioned or charming. Synonyms, charming, old-fashioned, picturesque. Antonyms, modern, sleek, sophisticated. Usage. The quaint village was a popular tourist destination. Her quaint sense of humor was refreshing in a world of sarcasm. Word, quell. Spelling, quell. Meaning, to quiet or allay emotions, anxieties, etc., to suppress or put an end to opposition, violent behavior, etc. Synonyms, crush, quash, overpower. Antonyms, foster, agitate. Usage. Troops eventually quelled the unrest. The government is trying to quell fears of a looming oil crisis. Word, rancor. Spelling, rancor. Meaning, a continuing and bitter hate or ill will, deep spite or malice. Synonyms, bitterness, spite. Antonyms, benevolence. Usage. The politician's speech was filled with rancor towards his opponents. The long-standing feud between the two families was fueled by deep-seated rancor. Word, raucous. Spelling, raucous. Meaning, harsh and loud, rough and noisy. Synonyms, hoarse, harsh, loud. Antonyms, soft, gentle, quiet. Usage. The raucous laughter of the partygoers echoed through the streets. The singer's raucous voice was a perfect fit for the rock band. Word, reclusive. Spelling, reclusive. Meaning, preferring to be alone or avoiding social contact, living a retired or secluded life. Synonyms, solitary, isolated, secluded. Antonyms, sociable, outgoing, extroverted. Usage. The reclusive author rarely gave interviews or made public appearances. After the scandal, the celebrity became reclusive and avoided the media. Word, rectitude. Spelling, rectitude. Meaning, moral integrity or uprightness, righteousness. Synonyms, integrity, uprightness, righteousness. Antonyms, corruption, immorality, dishonesty. Usage. The judge was known for his rectitude and fairness in the courtroom. The company's rectitude was called into question after the scandal broke. Word, redoubtable. Spelling, redoubtable. Meaning, inspiring respect through impressive qualities or achievements. Synonyms, formidable, impressive, intimidating. Antonyms, weak, unimpressive, insignificant. Usage. The redoubtable professor was known for his groundbreaking research. Her redoubtable skills in negotiation earned her a promotion. Word, remiss. Spelling, remiss. Meaning, careless or negligent in fulfilling one's responsibilities or duties. Synonyms, negligent, careless, lax. Antonyms, diligent, attentive, responsible. Usage. The doctor was remiss in not ordering the necessary tests. I would be remiss if I did not thank everyone for their help. Word, renovate. Spelling, renovate. Meaning, to restore or make something new again, especially by repairing or remodeling. Synonyms, restore, refurbish, revamp. Antonyms, destroy, demolish, neglect. Usage. The old house was renovated to its original glory. The company plans to renovate the office building next year. Word, replete. Spelling, replete. Meaning, well-filled or plentifully supplied, often to the point of being excessive. Synonyms, full, plentiful, abundant. Antonyms, empty, lacking, scarce. Usage. The buffet was replete with a variety of delicious dishes. The new smartphone comes replete with advanced features. Word, repose. Spelling, repose. Meaning, a state of rest or calm, or to place or lay something down. Synonyms, rest, calm, tranquility. Antonyms, turbulence, unrest, agitation. Usage. The park offered a peaceful repose from the city noise. She gently reposed the baby in his crib. Word, reprieve. Spelling, reprieve. Meaning, to postpone or cancel the punishment of someone, especially someone who has been sentenced to death. Synonyms, pardon, respite, stay. Antonyms, condemn, punish. Usage. The governor granted a reprieve to the prisoner on death row. The court issued a reprieve, allowing the defendant more time to appeal. Word, reproach. Spelling, reproach. Meaning, to express disapproval or blame to someone for something they have done. Synonyms, blame, criticize, rebuke. Antonyms, praise, commend. Usage. She reproached him for his careless behavior. His actions brought reproach upon his family. Word, reprobate. Spelling, reprobate. Meaning, a person who is morally corrupt or depraved. Synonyms, degenerate, immoral, corrupt. Antonyms, virtuous, moral, upright. Usage. The reprobate was shunned by society for his heinous crimes. His reprobate behavior led to his downfall. Word: reprove. Spelling: reprove. Meaning: to express disapproval or criticism to someone for something they have done. Synonyms: rebuke, reprimand, scold. Antonyms: praise, commend. Usage: the teacher reproved the student for cheating on the test. His actions were reproved by his peers. Word: repudiate. Spelling: repudiate. Meaning: to reject or disown something or someone, often because it is considered shameful or unacceptable. Synonyms: disavow, renounce, discard. Antonyms: accept, acknowledge. Usage: the company repudiated the contract due to the other party's breach. She repudiated her former beliefs after learning new information. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.